How to post a thread on Twitter using Vista Social. Twitter threads are a powerful way to share a longer story, break down tutorials, or expand on topics. Vista Social makes creating and scheduling threads incredibly simple, especially for busy content creators or brands who want to maximize Twitter engagement without being online 24/7. To start, log into your Vista Social account and go to the Post Composer. Choose the Twitter account where you want to post your thread. Begin by typing your first tweet. You'll notice a button labeled Add Another Tweet. This is where the thread building magic begins. Click it and add your second tweet, and so on. You can keep adding tweets in sequence, and Vista Social will display the thread visually so you can preview the entire post flow. You can also attach media, like images, GIFs, or videos, to each tweet in the thread. This keeps your audience engaged through every part of the story. Once you've added all the tweets, click the Schedule option to select your posting time. Vista Social will publish the entire thread in sequence, keeping the order intact. It's a professional and efficient way to post long-form content on Twitter. You can even duplicate a thread for future use or make variations for A/B testing. And remember, if you haven't joined Vista Social yet, check the description for the free sign-up link. It's your gateway to smarter social media automation. Threads let you communicate deeply. Vista Social makes sure you can do it strategically and on time.